understanding the role of a team leader. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important concept in workplace and group dynamics: the role of a team leader. This term is commonly used in professional environments, but what does it really mean? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what a team leader is, their responsibilities, and why they are crucial in any team setting. A team leader is more than just a title. It's a role that carries significant responsibilities. In this section, we'll define what a team leader is and the general perception of this role in various settings. We'll explore how a team leader differs from a team member and the qualities that make a good leader. Here, we delve into the core responsibilities of a team leader. We'll discuss how they are responsible for guiding the team towards achieving its goals, making crucial decisions, and representing the team's interests. A team leader also plays a pivotal role in conflict resolution, motivation, and maintaining team harmony. What makes a team leader effective? This section will highlight the key skills and qualities that a team leader should possess. These include strong communication skills, the ability to inspire and motivate, decision-making capabilities, and emotional intelligence. Being a team leader isn't always easy. We'll talk about some common challenges they face, such as balancing team and individual interests, handling conflicts, and managing diverse team personalities. Here, we'll discuss the positive impact a good team leader can have on their team and the overall organization. We'll see how effective leadership can lead to increased productivity, better team morale, and successful project outcomes. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what being a team leader entails and why this role is so crucial in any team setting. Whether you're aspiring to be a team leader or are currently in this role, remember that effective leadership can significantly influence the success of your team. Thank you for watching, and keep leading with passion and empathy.